If you own a small business, your estate plan is not just about your home, your bank accounts, or your personal property. It is also about the business. And for a lot of families, that business represents years of hard work, family income, employees, customers, and a legacy that matters. I'm Wes Harvin with the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm, and today we're going to talk about estate planning for families with small business ownership. Let's start with the basics. If something happens to you, who takes over the business? Is it your spouse, one of your children, a business partner, a key employee, or is the plan to sell the business? That question needs to be answered ahead of time. Because if it is not, your family may be left trying to figure it out during an already difficult situation, and that can lead to confusion, conflict, or even a forced sale. That is why a business succession plan is so important. A succession plan explains who steps in, how ownership transfers, and what should happen if you pass away or become unable to run the business. Your will or trust also needs to coordinate with your business interests. In some situations, placing business ownership into a trust can help avoid probate and keep operations moving. But it has to be done correctly, and it has to match the way your business is structured. If you have business partners, a buy-sell agreement may be one of the most important documents you have. It can explain how ownership is valued, who can buy the ownership interest, and how the transfer is handled if one owner passes away, becomes disabled, or leaves the business. This helps protect both sides, the business and the family. You may also want to look at key person insurance or life insurance to help fund a buyout, expenses, or keep the business stable during the transition. And here's another practical point. Keep your personal and business finances separate. That matters for liability, taxes, record keeping, and making things easier if someone else has to step in. Finally, talk with your family. Let them know whether you want the business continued, sold, or used to provide income. Clear communication can prevent a lot of headaches later. The bottom line is this: your business is part of your estate plan. It should not be treated like an afterthought. If you own a small business and want to make sure it is protected, reach out to us at the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm. We'll help you build a plan that protects your family, your business, and everything you have worked so hard to create. If this video was helpful, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.